Just give me a minute. Just hey, hi, hi Anushka.
Hi,
Hi,
sir.
sir. Good evening,
Today
sir.
I saw
Hi,
Bharat joining very early, 5:20.
sir.
I got a notification. So Bharat is very eager to do, right?
Yes, sir. Very.
By the way, this chapter, many good questions can be given. So, and especially who all are sitting for NMTC. I will be giving publishing question. By the way, number theory, I have published the previous year's questions. Tanya, Shrija did not join. Uh, so just practice all those because I know even go Anushka because even if you have done in previous year, I'm 100% sure you would have forgotten it. Okay, so those complex questions because right away after this 3, 4, 5, 6 classes, I'll be going very high level in number theory. So just revise it. It will be better for you all only. You all only crack the exams, get them appreciations. So good for you all, right? Okay, sure. We will start this chapter. Yeah, nobody did not join. Yeah, so let's start. So we will be starting comparing quantities. I will be very fast going through ratios and all those basics. You all know it, but still I'll go through because I have clubbed multiple things together, like ratios, percentages, everything together. So ratios and percentages, I will finish it right away today. And profit and loss, I will do it tomorrow. Here, Adhikari.
Sir,
Sir,
Haan, Anushka?
we were doing quadratic equations. So, is this a new chapter?
New chapter, Adhikari. Yes. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
Anushka, you are asking something.
same thing.
Okay, same. Okay. We were doing a quadratic. The reason I did not want to go deep into it because that itself, if I go, it will take 7, 8 classes because that is there in 11, that is there in ITG, that is there in everywhere. It's a big chapter. If I want to go deep into it, okay. I only taught you that much so that if you end up getting quadratic equations using any arithmetic questions, you will not skip it. Right in the last step, you will be able to solve it, right? And basically that and the roots of the equation, those two generally comes in NMTC or because above that you will anyhow will not be able to solve at this stage because they are tough. They are of 11th, 12th quadratic. Okay. So yeah, just a minute. Yeah. The concept of ratio, right? We know that ratio is a concept which means, like you would have studied, like anything put in A or A is to B, right? Like 2 is to 3, which means two parts of A. If I say A is to B is 2 is to 3, two parts of A and three parts of B are taken together, right? And mixed, right? This is the concept of ratio. But remember, ratio is not only A is to B, it can be infinite. It can be A is to B is to C is to D is to E. I can mix any number. Very simple example I always give is the concept of making kheer. I don't know what's that called in English. That's a different thing, right? We mix rice, milk, and water. I'm very sure milk and water is the highest amount mixed. Rice is very less. Yeah. So these at least when we make that, we mix these three in different quantities. Along with that, sugar is there, different quantities, right? Even in a normal food packet, also you would have seen it is shown carbs this much, proteins this much, any normal any food items that you order, you see this is a 10, 12 items because everything is mixed in a certain ratio, then only the proportion is made, right? Even the medicines, you will see there are certain ratios, amount, each and every quantities are put. That's why it is, and then the mixture is made. So the concept of two numbers of a ratio is not true. Ratios can be of infinite numbers, A, B, C, D, E. When the ratios are of infinite numbers, let me take 2 is to 3 is to 4 is to 5 is to 7 is to 11, something like this I'm taking, right? When I take it like this, I can always assume, suppose these are A, B, C, D, E, F, right? I can always assume this is 2x, right? This is 3x, right? This is 4x. This is 5x. This is 7x. This is 11x. I can always assume like that, right? I can always assume in general, when the ratios are suppose A is to B is to C is to D is to E, I can always assume they are in AX, BX, CX. I can always assume this is the quantities they are in, right? EX, like this, what it is, right? So the concept and what is the value of each quantity? Suppose the sum of the quantities of all this of a mixture is given as K. Generically, I can say A is present how much? A by A plus B plus C plus D plus E into K. Right? This is the quantity of A that is present. Similarly, quantity of B will be B by A plus B plus C plus D plus E into 100 into K, right? If the total quantity is K can be anything, right? Be very sure of the factor. Certain cases, they will say, like questions will come, what is the minimum number, right? In that case, for example, if this K was suppose a copper alloy or copper zinc or something, that can take decimal values, right? 9.2 kg, 9.1 kg or something. But what if this are distribution of marbles? Marbles cannot take your decimal values, right? That time play around with number theory and see, because K has to be integer. K has to be integer. So the good questions will come only when they will make K as something as an integer or something, right? That's when you have to think. It will get clubbed with some LCM or LCF or something like that. So the bottom line is that ratios can be any number, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, it can be any number. If the total quantity is K, each quantity is A by the summation of that into K, right? Similarly, quantity of B is B by summation of that into K. This is how it works. And if suppose any mixture is given in the ratios of 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 11, anything, right? I can take each quantity as 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 7x. Now, x will be an integer or not? Let me think. For example, suppose I add this only and I say these are marbles. What is the marbles, right? So 2 plus 3, 5x plus 4x, 9x, 9 plus 5, 14x, 14 plus 7 is 21x. So I know the minimum number of marbles will be at least 21. So it has to be a multiple of 21 if these were marbles, because then it has to be integer value. But if it is not, if it is something that can take decimal values, x will be decimal. So take care of this fact, because this is where the good questions comes generally. And this is where the role of LCM comes actually, right? So this is where it comes. Okay. Uh, Concept of percentages, since ratios, you all know it, right? That's why I recapped it. Everybody knows what is percentage, right? Suppose there is a number X. There is a difference. I increase it to Y. I increase it to Y. The change, the increase is what? I increase it to Y, not by Y. Remember this English words very carefully. By Y means I am making X plus Y, by Y, right? I'm increasing it to Y. So the increase is actually Y minus X. This is the amount Y which I have increased. I have increased from what? I have increased from X. So X has been increased from X to Y. So the increase have been Y minus X. So the percentage increase is always, what is the increase that has happened? Y minus X, right? From what it has happened? X it has happened, right? Into 100, right? This is the percentage increase, right? But what if it is told that X, this is the initial number, it is increased by Y percentage. right? Increase to y and by y is different. Matlab, it was, suppose x was 200, I am increasing it by 20%, right? Then the new value will be what? Then the new value will be 100 plus y by x into 100, right? It will be 100 plus y by x into 100 because initially it was x. I am increasing it by y%, not 2. So be very careful about this to by and all the statements. Is it clear? Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me, Hemtej.
Sir, can you explain last step, sir?
The x by y percentage, right?
Yes, sir.
Just the last step is what? If I suppose if I have 100 rupees, right? At the end, I put that in a stock market. Okay, at the end of the year, right? It increases by 20%. So initially, what will you do? You will find 20% of 100. That will come out to be 20, right? At the end, you are doing what? So final value will be what? 100 plus 20, right? That is 120. Same thing I did directly. So it increased by 20%. So 100 plus y is 20, 120. Initially, it was 100 into 100. So final value became, which is the new value, is 120%. Is it clear now, Hemtesh?
Yes, sir.
This is what the example I explained, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So similarly, if it is decreasing, so if suppose the value of x decreases by y%, then what will be the new value? The new value will be nothing but 100 minus y, sorry, minus y, because it is decreasing, right? By x into 100, right? This is the decreased value. This will be always the decreased value. And if it is x decreases to y, suppose it has been given x has decreased to y. X has decreased to y, right? So what is the decrease? Obviously, if you want to find it a negative or positive, that much, the formula will remain the same. If you do y minus x, only you will get the answer in negative, which means that is a decrease. If you want to get it in actually positive manner, do it x minus y by x into 100. Doesn't matter. Only the negative sign here will come that will show that it is actually a decrease. That's what. That's the only difference, right? It's clear to everyone, right?
Sir,
Anushka?
sir, where here you have written like X arrow by 5%.
Hmm.
Yes, under it's a new value. It will be new value percentage, I guess. It's okay.
No, no.
So it's 100 multiplied actually.
Yes, 100 multiplied by it. I am
Then also it will be a percentage.
oh, sorry. What did I write here? Oh, sorry. This will be here. This will be here. Sorry from my side. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, this will be here. This will be. I did not note it. I did it. Okay, sorry for that. Yeah.
So
So
sir,
it will be
it
100.
will be percentage or not?
No, it will be not. 100 plus y by 100. I also in fast wrote that. Okay. Suppose I am increasing it by 20%. Initially, it was x. So the new value will be 120 by 100 into x, right? The new value will be 120 by 100. So 100 plus y by 100 into x,
Yeah,
right?
the same will be
Yeah,
here.
here also the same thing. I just did not note. By fast I wrote it. Thanks for calling it out. Yeah, 100 minus y by 100 into x, right? So anything, suppose I increase by 30%. Initially was x. So what it will be? 130 by 100 into x, right? That's what it will be because I'm increasing by 30%, right? If I decrease by 30%, it will be 100 minus 30, 70 by 100 into x. That's what it will be, right? Right? That's what it will be. Right? I just did not notice that I wrote that in numerator. It's clear to everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move on to the questions. I think next is the questions only. Yeah, this will be easy. Next is good one. Check once, Bharat.
Sir, in the second question, the number will be same in the both cases.
Yeah. Yeah, Bharat, right. No, Shrija, check once. Some calculation thing you did.
Sir, is the second answer in decimal?
No, it is not in decimal.
Sir, in the first question, 365 is in paisa or rupees?
Rupees. No, Adhikari. Shrija, second one is right. Bharat, second one is wrong. Yeah, Adhikari, right. Second one. Yeah, Ayushman, right. Yeah, Bharat, right. No, Adhikari. Yeah, Ayushman, right. Abir, right. Second one. No, I will just check your basic calculations. Is a multiple of that. No, Adhikari.
Sir, in the first question,
Yeah,
that amounting to 365, it's rupees or paise?
rupees.
And that 50 paise, 25 paise, 10 paise.
Yes, those are passive. No, Adhikari, not right. No, repairing not right. Let me show you how to do. See, what I told, if anything is in the ratio of, first slide I told, right? A is to B is to C, I can take that as AX, BX, CX, right? That I can write it. If these coins are in ratio of 3 is to 7 is to 4, 4, right? 4, I can take that as 3x, 7x, 4x, right? This is how I will take it. Now these 3x are what? These are 50 paisa coin. These 7x are what? These are 25 paisa coin. These 4x are 10 paisa coin. Now, if I give you 10 50 paisa coin, what is its value at the end? 5 rupees. Because each 50 paisa coin is half a rupee. So 3x coin will be 3x into half. This is the value in rupees. 7x 25 paisa coin, what is the value in rupees? 7x by 4, right? If you have 4 25 paisa coin, that will make 1 rupee. Similarly, if you have 4x 10 paisa coin, 10 paisa coin makes 1 rupee. So the value in rupees is this. Adding up should be equal to 365, right? Now, if I take the LCM will be 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 is 30x. 20 divided by 4, 5. 35x plus 8x is equal to 365. So this will add up to 30, 65, 73x by 20 is equal to 365. 73 and 365 will get cancelled, and 5x comes out to be 100. So when x is coming out to be 100, what is the total number of coins that is there? 3x plus 7x plus 4x, that is 7 plus 4, 11 plus 3, that is 14x. That is equal to 14 into 100, which is equal to 1400. Got it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear to everyone?
Sir, I didn't
Yes.
understand the first part.
Okay. This first part means this part, right? Why I wrote like this, right?
Sir, I got till x is equal to 100, but then I
No,
don't know.
Abir, which part you did not get?
The left one, 3x upon 2 plus 7x upon 4.
This part, right? Ye wala, right? This part.
Yes.
See, what is the value if I have 3x 50 paisa coin? Assume that 3x is 10 rupees, 10 coins. Okay, assume that 10 50 paisa coin. What would be value in rupees? 10 into half, because 250 paisa coin you need to make 1 rupee, right? So you will multiply with half. Got it? Here, why you multiplied with half?
Yes.
Same thing. These are 25 paisa coin. What is the value? Each 25 paisa coin is 25 by 100. That is 1 by 4 rupee, right? Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
I multiply 7x with 1 by 4, multiplied with 1 by 4. Similarly, 10 paisa coin, 4x into 1 by 10. And then this is just calculation. Yeah, Shrija, now, what did you do not?
Sir, no, sir. I got till x is equal to 100 in many steps, but then I don't know how you got 14x is equal to
Okay,
1000.
because initially what we took, number of coins was 3x, 50 paisa. And then 25 paisa was 7x. And then 10 paisa was 4x. So what is the total number of coins? 3x plus 7x plus 4x is the total number of coins, which is 14x. Right?
Oh, okay, sir.
That's what I did. Right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, okay, welcome. Okay, and a second question, the difference between a number increasing by 8%, let me assume that number is x. If I increase by 8%, last slide I wrote the formula, if I increase by y%, what it becomes? 100 plus y by 100 into x, that is what becomes. Here y is given as 8%. Cool, I will put y as 8. So 108% of x, right? Minus decreasing by 7%. When I decrease, it will be 100 minus y by 100 into x, right? So here x is what? 7%. So 100 minus 7. So 100 minus 7 by 100 into x. That will be what? 93x by 100. They are saying this difference is equal to 75. What is the number? So 100, if I take the LCM, 108x minus 93 is 15x by 100 is equal to 75. Cancel it, 5. So x is equal to 500. That's it. Is it clear to everyone? Yeah, Hemtej.
Yes.
Sir, can you explain this 100 minus 7 by 100?
100 minus 7, if it decreases, right? What I told the formula, if it decreases by 1%, suppose you have 100 rupees as a price of a t-shirt, 7% discount is running. Discount means decrease. So what will be the price? 93. How did you calculate? Because 100 minus 7, right? Because this is the amount decreasing. That's what I did. 100 minus y, 7% decrement, right? So 100 minus 7 is 93 by 100. Total price is what? I don't know. That is the number x. That's why I did 93x by 100. Then it is just calculation. Taking the LCM as 100, 108x minus 93, it is 8 plus 7, 15x by 100 is
Okay,
70.
sir, I understood. Sir.
Got it?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, okay, cool. So let's move on to the next question. Second question is a nasty one. Here it is hike percentage. Okay. Ayushman right. Anushka wrong. Bharat right. Adhikari right. First to answer. Second answer is wrong, Adhikari. It is not that easy, second one. That you will get in 1 minute. I myself cannot do it in so fast. No, Shrija, not. The second one is an NMTC question actually, 4-5 years back. No, Srija, not right. Ayushman is literally going above my head. Think, it's good one.
Sir, what is the meaning of salary hikes?
Salary means whatever salary you get. Which part are you asking? The high, this part.
No, sir, in the second line.
Salary hikes means the salary that he gets, that gets increase. Hike means increase. Increase of. Hike means increase. Abir, is it decrease or increase?
Decrease.
Yes, perfect. No, Bharat. 945% hike. My God. Others will feel very jealous. 20,
Sir, I found the
25%.
salary, sir. I'll
Others are
back to
getting 20, 25%. Somebody getting 945% increase.
I found the total salary.
A total salary also 945, even a delivery boy doesn't get.
Sir, I took the value as 100, sir.
Okay, no, it is wrong. Always go by X, Bharat. 99% question, except one or two questions. Maybe first one you can take it as 100 and do. Every question take it as X and do.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, in ratio, proportion, percentage, time and work, mixture, allegation, you will get stuck. Play around with X, X, Y, always with variable. That's the reason I do algebra first.
Yes, sir.
No, Shrija, first one is not right. Yes, Bharat, perfect. Second one. Wow. No, Aishman, not correct. You could do, I know why, using 100, because see, beautifully it came to be 7 plus 6 is 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 6, 8, 7, 18. At least you could reduce it. Generally, you won't be able to. Yeah. Shrija, increase, decrease?
Sir, decrease, sir.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, Ayushman, right, second one. No. Yeah. I got it. What how you got that value of 945? So
Yes, sir.
945 and 750, right? That was the change you did, right?
Yes, sir.
I got that. That's why I now got it. Yeah, because I played in X, so I got something that value into X. Yeah. Because you are getting set because it is single variable. Had there been two variables now, you could not have done that so easily.
Yes.
In the test, you will see. Because every X you have to find, you will enter into quadratics. So, so
I'll
yeah.
I'll just learn. I just learn the algebraic method now.
Okay, yeah. Because in the test, all questions and subjectives are of different types. There are so many types. I've put everything of different type.
So some are actually very good.
Yes. These two chapters, I have so many good questions. Now, this time subjective will also be very good assignment that I will give. Today only I'll make it. So,
I did this chapter last year now, so
yeah,
I
you
actually-
remember how tough we did, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness, the questions that we did last year.
Sir,
Yeah.
actually, the first question has been repeated.
Yes, because many of them has not done this type of questions.
Last year, I made the same mistake,
Yes, I know, I remember.
telling no increase or decrease.
No increase or decrease, I remember that. Yeah. So the very, very good questions have been given in test, topic test. Assignment also I made today because this is such a chapter, like they will come heavily because time and work and this, you can combine it with anything, AP, GP, quadratic, anything. Literally, these questions come even after we give engineering, even in MBA exams, it comes, it's difficult to score above CAT-Z exam over 50-60%. Such level of questions in this chapter comes.
So difficult, I guess.
Yeah. No, Adhikari, NEET maths is not there only. Yeah, Tanya, first one is right.
Sir, they're telling that Geeta's salary is the main salary. So main salary is with the new the salary hike or without the salary hike, sir?
Come back again.
No, sir. They say Geeta's salary is equal to the main salary of the three friends. No,
Mean
sir.
salary. Yes, mean salary.
No, when we're adding them for average, should we consider the new salary with the hike or the previous
Obviously, new salary with the hike. You have
Okay,
to
sir.
consider the new. So Geeta's salary is being hiked by that much amount such that mean salary of everyone taken together is equal to Geeta's. No, Anushka, first one is not 10%. No. Cool, brother. I will send you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Anushka, right now. I'll wait for 5 minutes and then show you the solutions. See, let me now show you. Okay. A number is increased by 10%. Let me assume that number is 100. If I increase by 10%, it is 110 by Abhay, you wrote in percentage or absolute value?
Percentage.
No, that is not the percentage. I thought it's absolute value by taking 100 if you have done. Okay, that's not. If I change it from, if the initially was 100 number, I increase it by 10%. So it becomes what? 110, right? Now I am decreasing it is by 10%. So this number I will decrease. It's not this number that I'm decreasing, it's this number. It is, and then it is decreased by 10%. So if I decrease by 10%, it will be 90% of 110, right? So it is becoming what? 99. So initially it was 100. I increased by 10%, it became 110. Then I decreased by 10%, it became 99. So finally what happened? 19 from 100 to 99 is nothing but 1% decrease, right? 1 by 100 into 100, 1% decrease, right? Clear to everyone? Right.
Sir.
Now, second question, why you always say, because that's the safest bet that you have by doing algebraically, because much better, because that habit will help you every time. Sita, and always I write the names like in short form before, because many of the questions, what they will do, you know, they will just change the sequence of Sita and Mita in the between. By mistakenly, you will get that error, silly error. So always better to write it, because question setter can be anytime, anything, right? So 5x, 6x, 7x, cool. 5x, 6x, 7x. I took it, right? In the first year, respectively, right? Sita's salary hike is 20%. If Sita's salary hike is 20%, 100 plus 20 is 120 by 100 of 5x. That's what is Sita's salary becoming. So this is 6 by 5. If I cancel with 20, this I cancel, it becomes 6x. So after first year, Sita's salary is 6x. Cool. She is getting, which is that Geeta, right? Geeta is getting a 25% hike. So 125 by 100, right? Of what was her salary? 6x. So if I cancel by 5, 25, 5 by 4. Again, I cancel 2, 3. 15x by 2. Okay. Nita's salary increment is again 20%. So what should be her salary? Again, 120 by 100 of 7x. So if I cancel by 20, 6 by 5, 42x by 5. Right? This is what it is after first year. Sita, Kita, Mita. Cool. Is it clear till here what I did?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the second year, Sita and Nita, where is Sita? Sita is here, right? Sita gets a salary of hike of 40%. Okay. Sita is now getting a salary. By first year, her salary has become this. On top of it, now she is getting 40% hike. So it will become 140 by 100 of 6x. So if I cancel by 20, 7 by 5, it is becoming. So 42x by 5 is our new salary. Cool. Let it be. Right. Geeta, new salary, I don't know. Let me assume it's some G. I don't know. Right. And this Mita, right? Mita is getting a salary hike of 25%. So 125 by 100 of 42x by 42x by 5, right? If it is not, yes. So it will be 42x by 5. So 5 by 4, right? If I cancel with 25, again I can cancel 2, 21. So 21 into 5, 105x by 10. Okay. After second year, these are her salaries, right? Now the question is saying the salary of Geeta becomes equal to the mean salary of 3 friends. Salary of Geeta is G. Yes, Tanya, right. Yeah, right. Yeah. Salary of Tanya is G, right? What will be the mean salary? 42x by 5 is the Sita's salary. Geeta's salary is G plus, what was this salary? Wait, just a minute. 105 it was, right? If I'm not wrong. Wait a minute. 5, 4, 2, 21 by, sorry, by 10 it is, right? Yeah, 105 by 10. 21 into 5, 105, 5 to is 10. Yeah, 105x by 10 this is, right? 42x by 5 plus G. If it is 105x by 10, I can reduce it further by cancelling with 5, right? 5 was also cancelling 21. So this will be 21x by 2 because it's better to cancel and reduce it as much as possible. 5 and 5 will also get cancelled, right? So Geeta's salary is equal to Sita plus Geeta plus Meeta, right? 21x by 2 by 3, right? That's what it is, right? Because that is equal to the mean. I will cross multiply. 3G is equal to 42x by 5 plus 21x by 2 plus G. So if I take G there, 2G will be equal to how much? It will be equal to 10. 10 divided by 5, 284x plus 2 divided by 5. It will be what? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. 21 I can take common, right? That will be much easier for my life. 2x by 5 plus x by 2. That is much easier. 21. 10 divided by, it is 5, right? 2, 4x, 10 plus 5x, right? So it is 9x. 21 into 9x by 10. That is what is equal to 2G, right? That's what it is coming. If you calculate, you will get G. If you take G here, right, you will get G is equal to 189x by 20. That's what you will get. So always reduce it to last possible step. Now I got G as this. Now I have to find the salary hike of Geeta, but Geeta's salary was what after 5 years, first year. This was a salary. If you calculate this, you will get it as 9.45x. That's what actually Bharat was telling, 945. Then it clicked my mind. Right, now this we calculate 9.45x. But her salary was what, 15x by 2, which was 7.5x, right? So what is the hike she got? The hike she got is 9.45x minus 7.5x, right? This is the hike she got. And percentage, if I have to calculate, what was her initial salary after first year, 7.5x, right? This was her initial salary. And I will multiply it with 100 to convert it into percentage. X will get cancelled. If you do this calculation, 9.45 minus 7.5 by 7.5, you will get 0.26 into 100. That will come out to 26%. Any doubt, anyone?
No,
Sir.
sir.
Oh, sir.
Okay. Clear, right? Okay.
Sir,
Yeah. Correct.
sir, I didn't understand how the denominator came as 3.
How the?
Is the denominator 3 because there are 3 people?
Where did I? Which step? Tell me. Here.
G
Where?
is equal to 42x by
Okay,
5.
this way. Denominator. What is the mean? Mean, if 3 numbers are there, A, B, C, mean is A plus B plus C by 3, right?
Yes, sir.
So average, mean is nothing but the average. So this is Sita's salary, this was Geeta, this was Meeta. So
Okay, sir. Okay.
this divided by 3, right? That's what I did. Actually, this G should be here, like it should be done like this, but yeah, that's fine. You understood that, right? Yeah, I just wrote it because I did not have that much of space to write. Okay, in this slide. Okay, understood, right?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
understood, sir.
Cool. So let's move forward. I will very quickly explain, though I think you all know this, but still understand few things in profit and loss. The tree diagram is very important. Okay. How does profit and loss operate? Before showing this blah blah slide, I will show you a picture which will help you, like you are everybody has shopped on Amazon. Before I will come back to this slides, don't worry. For example, a normal, right? You shop on t-shirt. Suppose you buy a t-shirt. This is MRP, right? Written. This is the, in mathematical term, we call the mark price, right? For example, you go to Big Bazaar, D-Mart, or whatever it is there in your town, you see everywhere something written as, what is written? That is called the MRP. That is called the mark price, right? Then from the marked price, yeah, from the mark price, they will give some discount, right? For example, 1099, they will give some discount, right? After discount, they give some discount. Here, mark price was 1099. They gave some discount, which is 300 rupees, right? Post which I sell at, suppose, 799. Forget this excluding including part. 799. This is called the SP, which is the selling price. Just a normal thing that you see. Same thing you observe in Zomato also, right? Zomato, you see 110, 20% off, 30, 40% off, right? So this thing that is given in percentage, that is discount percentage. Discount percentage. How did they calculate it? Right, because they gave the discount on top of the MRP only. Right, this 30% discount was here 27%. 27% of 1099, it might come in decimal, that's okay. You will get as, yeah, the discount is 300 rupees. This is the 27, the discount is always calculated on MRP, not on any other things. What is the printed price? You get the discount on that. Remember this, right? Now let me go to the previous slides and draw the tree diagram. Okay, what happens? A shopkeeper will be there, right? Just think of you are doing a business or something like that. Shopkeeper will buy. Suppose I will just take 100 rupees to explain you. Shopkeeper buys something at 100 rupees. This is the cost at which he is buying. He is buying from where? He is buying from some manufacturer or distributor who is supplying to him, right? He is buying at 100 rupees. He knows very well that he has to finally give some discount to the customer to sell, otherwise customers won't buy. They want discounts. He will increase the price by some amount. Assume that he increased by 50 rupees. 50 rupees, he is hiking it and putting the MRP as 150 rupees. This is the level that he will stick on the, what you call the product, right? 150 rupees. On this, he will give some discount, right? Assume that discount is 20%. It can be flat. You would have seen in Swiggy sometimes like flat 100 rupees off, or sometimes 20% off till 50, or 30% off till 75, like this. So suppose he gives 20% discount, right? So what is my first formula? Net selling price is mark price minus discount. So I have to calculate the discount. So discount will be how much? It will be 20% of this 150 rupees, right? Because that is the MRP on which the discount is given. So it will be 30 rupees. So what will be my selling price? Selling price is marked price or the MRP 150 minus this discount, which is 30 rupees, right? 30 rupees, which comes out to be 120 rupees, which is the selling price, which is we call SP, right? Selling price. Now you saw what is the discount percentage? Like discount percentage we gave last slide also I showed you. The MRP was 1099 given, right? MRP was given like this 1099 and the discount was 300 rupees. So 300 by 1099 into 100 is what is 27% that you get the discount, because discount is always given on MRP, right? So even if you see this 30 rupees discount, right? If I calculate, right? Calculate back, right? 30 by what is the MRP? 150 into 100, right? You see it is coming back to 20. That is 20%, right? That's why we say. Now, finally, he sold at 120 rupees. If his selling price is greater than cost price, what he bought at, he will end up getting at a profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That is equal to here 120 minus 100. So he made a profit of 20 rupees, right? So, but profit percentage, I have spent 100 rupees to earn this 20 rupees. So what is the percentage I have earned? It's the profit I have earned. So profit percentage will always be calculated on cost price. So what is my profit percentage here? Right? Profit percentage is profit, which is 20 rupees by cost price. In this case, it is 100 rupees into 100, right? So I am earning a profit percentage also 20%. So profit is always calculated, percentages are calculated on cost price. I might sell at any price, but profit will be calculated on the cost price because that is the investment I have made to earn this 20 rupees, right? Now, what will happen if we start increasing the discount? Right. Suppose instead his stocks are not selling. This happens a lot in case of pharma industry. Pharma, so it's illegal only. In many industries, it happen. Like in DMart and other things, you see big Pepsis and Colas and others. They sell at a heavy discount, but normal shopkeepers don't. The simple reason, if you read the label, they will expire in 1 day or 2 days. So what the FMCG companies they do, always the FMCG companies have excess inventory. So they give in bulk to this DMart and others. They sell, you sell whatever you can and whatever discount you want, 1%, 2%, I don't care. Anyhow, this will be expired. So that's how they sell. Their things are never fresh, right? They sell at that. Suppose he gives a 50% discount, right? It is almost going to expire. Expired things nobody will buy, right? So it doesn't matter now. Whatever he can safeguard his money, he will. Suppose the discount is 50%. So discount will be calculated on MRP, right? So 50% of 150 rupees, right? So it is 2 and then 75, right? 75 rupees is the discount. Now, finally, the 75 rupees is the discount. He has to sell at what price? 150 minus 75, which is 75 rupees, right? Which is 75 rupees. In this case, he is selling price is less than cost price. He is making a loss because he bought at 100 rupees and made a sold at 75. So loss is how much? If you want to show it as negative, you can always write it like 100 minus 75. Sorry, yeah, 75 minus 100 as minus 25 rupees loss, right? That's how losses are negative, right? Or if you want to show it as a positive quantity, you can do 100 minus 75 and then call it out as 25 rupees loss. Either you can write 25 rupees loss word in text, or you can write minus 25, which shows that you have made a loss. So loss percentage is nothing but loss by cost price, because you has invested this money, right? By cost price into 100. So what is the loss he made here? 25 rupees is the loss. What is the cost price was 100 into 100. So he made a 25% loss when he gave a discount of 50%. So as I increase my discount, my selling price will come down. So there is another term in, you will get this break-even term, break-even point. What is break-even point? Break-even point means zero profit, zero loss. When your selling price is equal to the cost price, they might give you a question in which MRP will be given and ask you what should be the discount percentage, so that suppose this question only I treat, what should be the discount percentage so that I am able to the seller or the retailer is making a break even. Break even means he is neither getting a profit nor getting a loss. That means, you know, selling price is equal to cost price is equal to 100 rupees, right? So what is the discount given by him, right? Discount is or discount is calculated on MRP. So 150 minus 100 is 50 rupees. So what is the discount percentage? 50 by 150 into 100, which is nothing but equal to 1 by 3. So if he sells 30, it will be 33.3333. I think so. Yeah, 33.3333%. So if he gives this much discount, 33.33%, he will be selling at break even, which is neither profit nor loss. Remember always, profit and loss percentages are calculated always on cost price, but discounts are always calculated on mark price. Second thing to remember in this kind of problem, first of all, wait, is everything clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Remember one thing, even if they give you cost price as something, right? Whatever you give here, cost price as sub X, if there is transportation, logistics, right? Logistics and any other prices, storage cost, these all cost will has to be added to the actual cost price to get the new cost price, and your profit and loss will be calculated always on this new cost price. Once you add transportation, logistics, storage, distribution, this cost, because these costs are borne by the or taken in care by the seller itself. If the seller is paying from his pocket, apart from the amount of thing that he is paying for buying, he is paying for transportation, he is paying for storage or any other thing he is paying. So his effective cost price will change, and profit loss then will be calculated on the effective cost price. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So we'll initially we will do two easy questions. Next class we will do the tough ones. This should be easy. Just to get rehearsed with the type of questions. I think typo is there, Tanya. Anushka typo wrote 2 rupees. Very stingy person. 2 rupees giving discount only. No, not 60. Tanya.
So the third one is right. The third one is right.
Uh, third one. No. You wrote 500, no?
Sir, is
Yes, sir.
my second one right?
Yeah, it is right, Anushka.
Sir, for the second question,
Yeah.
if a shopkeeper made a profit of 20 rupees, then what is the CP? And if he makes a loss of 10 rupees, then what is the CP? Won't the cost price the same? Will be the same?
But this is a two situations. If he had made a loss of 10 rupees, then what was the CP? Actually, should not be is. Ideally, it should be was actually. Yeah. Then English wise also it would have been perfect. No, Shoham, C1 is not right.
Sir,
Anushka,
sir, what is the formula for discount?
discount is always given on marked price. So discount is you want discount percentage or discount?
Sir, only discount.
Marked price minus discount is selling price.
Marked price minus?
Discount is equal to selling price. Adhikari.
Sir, what is the formula of finding CP?
CP depends upon from which stage are you trying to find. Like generally, if you are finding from say, selling price, then selling price minus profit is CP, depending on how are you finding it.
Okay, sir.
No, Adhikari. Yeah, Anushka.
Sir, there are two situations given. So, sir, there will be two different CP on one, like.
Yes, two different CP. No, Tanya. Yeah, Tanya, right. Second one, not right. Yeah, Anushka, right.
Also, all questions are of mine are correct, right?
Yes, correct. So I gave you all this question to get acquainted with the term, like profit, what which you have to take and against which, so that you get acquainted with the terms. So because it is very necessary to remember, like this, like discount is taken on marked price, loss and profit are taken only on cost price, all those things. So that's the purpose of giving this.
Sir, one doubt.
Adhikari.
Sir, the market price is included with a discount of 20% or
No, no,
excluding?
mark price is whatever you think. Suppose you go to a D-Mart, you see noodles packet, whatever is written, that is mark price. On that you get discount, right?
Yes, sir.
That is the mark price.
Okay, sir.
Selling price has discount included. Sure. Now let me give you the solutions, right? Very easy. Marked price of the sari is marked price is what? It is written as 2000 rupees. That's what is the sticker saying to me, right? He gives a discount of 10%. So what will be my discount? Discount will be 10% of 2000. That's what he has given discount. So he gave a discount of 200 rupees. So the discount is 200 rupees. So we know selling price is marked price minus discount, right? That's what is selling price. That is 2000 minus 200, that is 1800 rupees is which at he is selling, right? Right, 1800 rupees is the selling price. But 1800 sold, but it is also given he makes a profit of 300 rupees. Right, he has made a profit. So we know what is profit. Profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price. Right, he has sold at a higher price than he has bought. So what will be my cost price? Cost price will be selling price minus the profit. Selling price is 1800 minus the profit in the question given as 300, which is 1500. So this is a 1500 that he made that is the cost price. What is the profit percentage? Profit percentage is profit by cost price, because profit he will attain on cost price into 100, right? So profit he made is how much? 300 rupees. And he bought at what price? 1500 rupees. And then what is the percentage? If you cancel this, 520. So this comes out to be 20 percentage, right? This comes out to 20 percentage, right? Yeah. And the second one, if the mark price is 200 rupees, okay, cool. If the mark price is given as 200 rupees, okay, and a discount of 20%. So what will be the discount? 20% of 200, right? Which is 40 rupees discount he is getting. Okay, discount is 40 rupees. So what is the selling price? From marked price, I have to subtract this 40 rupees. So my 160 rupees will be my selling price. My discount is 40 rupees. I am getting a discount of 40 rupees, right? But my selling price is 160 rupees. Now, if he makes a profit of 160 for 20 rupees, now he makes a profit of 20 rupees, then what will be his cost price? He is earning money. That means we would have bought it at some less amount. How much less amount? It will be 160 minus 20, which is 140 rupees. If he is making a profit of 20 rupees, that means he is buying it at the cost price will be 140. But if he has made a loss, that means he would have bought at a higher amount and sold at a lesser amount. If he is making a loss of 10 rupees, that means he would have bought it at 170 rupees. Right, in that case, my cost price will be 170 rupees. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Just I wanted to call out one
Oh,
thing. There is a difference between two words. Always remember that. It came to my mind, so telling you all. Discount percentage and trade discount, they both are different. What is the difference? There is a difference. If it is given trade discount generally is given to the, whenever you see this, they lower the cost price of the seller. Trade discount means generally if you buy in bulk, right? Different stores like big stores like hypermarket and all, they buy in huge quantities. They get this trade discount. Whereas normal discount is for customers like us. We get this on MRP. But trade discount on a normal cost price, sellers get from manufacturer. Don't confuse between trade discount and normal discount. Trade discount will lower the CP for the seller. That's how it is calculated, right? Just, yeah, it came to my mind, so told you. Okay. Chalo, next class, we will be continuing this with the tougher questions. Okay. Good questions. Okay. On profit and loss. And that will end next class, this chapter also. After that, there is another chapters. Okay.
Okay,
Bye,
sir.
everyone. Bye-bye.
Yes, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank you.